Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the operators in Python. So there are different kinds of operators and let's see about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules, the exponent, float division, and by end of this video I am sure that you will be familiar with all of these. And generally I will memorize these by just with this simple pim-LR. I will remember this pim-LR, which means parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and the LR stands for left to right. I will teach what the LR means. So firstly I'm going to open Thorny. So if I just enter print without a parenthesis, you can't enter any code. So parenthesis is an important, we can make the parenthesis come in the operators also. So the parenthesis also an operator for according to me. So the exponent, you may be wondering the exponent symbol. For example, the exponent symbol in Python is the double star. The double star is the exponent symbol. So for example, 10 to the power, so let's keep it as 10 to the power 2. And if I print it out, it will give 100. So this is the symbol of the exponent. And let's see the multiplication. In multiplication, in Python the multiplication symbol will be like this. So let me enter print. So 1 into 5. You may be wondering, in your maths classes you will be entering this symbol for multiplication, but in Python the multiplication symbol is always the star. So remember, the multiplication symbol in Python is the star. So I'm just going to enter 2, and if I run this code, you could see that it gives 10. So 2 5s are, it is 10. So next we will talk about the division in Python. So the division symbol in Python is the forward slash, I guess, yes. Print, let's enter 10, and let's enter this, sorry, the forward slash. I'm confused with the forward slash or what, so I'm just going to, even I got confused. So sorry, it's a backward slash, I'm sorry, it's my mistake. So I'm just entering 10 and 2, and now if I print it out, it will divide 10 by 2. So you could see 5.0. And let's see the next function, next operator, that is the addition and subtraction. To do addition and subtraction, the same symbols are used as you do in your schools. So it is 10 plus 2, and for the minus, we use the minus symbol. It will be like -4 or whatever. And finally I have given the left to right. For example, I'm writing any code like this one. So for example, I'm just entering print 10 plus 2, and I'm going to divide this and enter 2, and I'm going to enter let's keep it as -10. So for example, you may be thinking, where will the print option will start in here. So remember this, always the print option will be going from the left to right. It will not go from the right to left. So for example, many think that minus is less than plus. So firstly, the Python will print out the -1, that is 2 minus 10. First it will print, and then it will go and print the 10 plus 2, and then it divides. But it is not. If you write any operators, the operators will be printed out in the arranged manner from the left to right. So that's why I added the left LR for the left to right. And that's it about this video. And if you come to this blog post, you could see the examples I have given, and just work with the examples, and I think by now you will be familiar with the symbols of the operators, and also you will be having an idea. So if this video helped you, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.